What is data science? Why data science is required? Who is a data scientist? What is the future of data science? How exactly process is done is data science, and what are the roles assigned to a data scientist? Now, these questions might arise in your mind when you think about this word data science, and it seems to be quite fascinating. But it is nothing but how can we train a particular machine to think like a human being? That is data science. Now, that word comprises of two words, that is data and science. Data means anything that is generated. Every time we open a mobile phone and click on application, a huge amount of data is generated. Science means knowledge. That means, in simple terms, data science refers to the knowledge of data. And this knowledge of data can be done or can be processed with the help of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning concepts. So this is how it can be processed, and this is about data science. Next question arises is, why data science? Why do we need data science? Now, traditionally the data has been most structured in small size, which could be analyzed using simple BI tools. But now, processing day by day, data structure and the amount of data trend has been huge, and it has been implemented since past 2 years also, and it is in unstructured form. Now, to process that particular data, we need data science. For example, in the fields of marketing, we need data science so that predicting lifetime value of customer, cross-selling, upselling can be done. Next, in social media, what is the use of data science? Digital marketing, sentimental analysis. In the field of automation, data science is required, such as self-driving cars, pilotless aircrafts, and drones. Credit and insurance. In credit and insurance, to detect the fraud and risk detection, claim prediction, we need data science. Healthcare, for disease prediction, medical effectiveness, any discount offering or demand forecasting, we need data science. In travel, dynamic pricing, and any delay in flights or trains, such as, all can be detected with the help of data science. Now you might be thinking, then how can we do that? Listen, as humans, we do that by while we sense the object around us. But a machine understands the data in the numerical form. So we will feed the data to the machine so that it can respond like a human brain. Next question arises is, who is a data scientist, or what is the job data scientist does? Now, there are several definitions available for the data scientist, but in simple words, who practices the art of data science is said to be a data scientist. That means he or she implements several scientific information of fields and application together, whether it be stats or mathematics, is known as a data scientist. Now, a data scientist cracks the complex data problems with strong expertise of scientific disciplines. That person is known as a data scientist. Next come is, what is the future of data science? Now, the future of data science completely depends upon data. And we know that huge amount of data is generated every day. Large amount of data evacuated and still processed. Companies are using this data to make better decisions and business strategies. Therefore, hiring skilled data scientists all around the world to make the decision on cleaned data and to clean raw data is much required. So that is the use of a data scientist, and this is the future of the data scientist, who can process and clean up the data. The salary, or the average salary of a data scientist in US varies from $95,000 to $165,000. Next come is, what is the process of data science? That how this whole processing is done. So firstly, what it does is business objective. Now, in business objective, for example, finding the target audience, that what audience we need to target, that is being done. Secondly, data collection. Now, in this data collection, what is done is several APIs, web servers, and databases are used to collect a huge amount of data. The third step, and a very important and crucial stage, is the data preparation. That is cleaning and transforming of data. Next step to write is exploratory data analysis, or we can say in other words simply data analysis. Data analysis is done, that means refining the data that has been generated after data preparation with the help of Python, R, etc. Next is data modeling. In data modeling, what is done is predictive model based on the data. The data that is generated on the basis of that predictive models are done with the help of several machine learning algorithms. Next is visualization. In visualization is to represent all statistical and mathematical works in graphs and charts to understand better, such as Tableau, Power BI, etc. And the last step is monitoring and deploying. In this step, testing models and monitoring their performance in the real time and basically managing an overall project that is done. So this is the actual process of a data science. Last is, what are the roles assigned to a data scientist? Now, roles assigned, as we have discussed earlier, data science is a process of making data useful with the help of various steps based on the data scientist. Can be a data analyst who analyzes the particular data, machine learning engineer, data scientist, etc. So these are the roles that can be assigned to the data scientist. So if you want to learn data science and make a career in it, then start today, because the world of data waits for you.